The 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is here, and it's designed to dominate off-road adventures straight from the factory. Toyota has stepped up its game with this rugged Overland Ficus truck, combining premium off-road hardware with a design meant to tackle the toughest terrain. Let's dive into what makes the Tacoma Trailhunter the ultimate choice for adventure seekers. Built for overlanding, the Trailhunter isn't just another off-road trim. It's a purpose-built overlanding truck. Toyota has collaborated with ARB, a well-known off-road equipment manufacturer, to equip this Tacoma with serious off-road capability. The truck comes with factory-stalled skid plates, a high-clearance steel bumper, and a set of 33-inch all-terrain tires. These upgrades ensure the Trailhunter can handle rocky trails, deep mud, and remote landscapes with ease. Powerful and efficient iForce Max hybrid. Under the hood, the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter features Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft torque. This hybrid system not only enhances performance, but also improves fuel efficiency compared to traditional gas. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or towing gear for a weekend expedition, this powertrain provides the right balance of power and efficiency. Rugged suspension and off-road features. A true overlanding truck needs a capable suspension, and Toyota has delivered. The Trailhunter comes with Old Man Emu shocks and a factory lift, providing enhanced ground clearance and improved articulation over rough terrain. The truck also includes a multi-terrain select system, crawl control, and an electronically locking rear differential, ensuring maximum traction in challenging conditions. Adventure-ready interior. Inside, the Tacoma Trailhunter blends durability with modern tech. The cabin features water-resistant upholstery, an upgraded 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota also offers an optional 10-speaker JBL sound system with a removable Bluetooth speaker, perfect for enjoying music at the campsite. Trailhunter-specific design. Visually, the Trailhunter stands out with its rugged aesthetic. A distinctive bronze-accented grille, unique badging, and high-mount snorkel give this Tacoma a tough, adventure-ready look. It also includes an integrated roof rack and reinforced bed with multiple tie-down points, making it easy to carry extra gear, rooftop tents, or kayaks. Is the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter worth it? For those who love off-roading and overlanding, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is a game-changer. With its factory-installed upgrades, powerful hybrid engine, and adventure-speak-it design, it's ready to hit the trails right out of the showroom. Toyota has listened to off-road enthusiasts and delivered a truck that's built for the wild. What do you think of the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Compass for more automotive content.